As we prepare for the year ahead, this new budget represents our plan to move from restoration to growth. It will build upon a new foundation and accelerate our national recovery in the process. My government, Mr. Speaker, is continuing to adopt a structured approach to manage our recovery, building on all that we have been able to accomplish so far. During this budget, we present the Accelerated Bahamas Recovery Plan, or Accelerate Bahamas for short, to boost economic growth and continue our support of the most vulnerable. The Accelerated Bahamas Plan is designed to achieve the following objectives: to strengthen the impact of much-needed COVID-19 related support, accelerate the engagement of displaced workers, stimulate domestic, economic, and commercial activity, extract greater value from the tourism sector, and accelerate the adoption of innovation and e-government technologies and services. The Accelerated Bahamas Recovery Plan defines the next steps in our ultimate mission, which is to not only recover, but to thrive in a post-pandemic world.